Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to present result of the report on sulfur modification. I am Siti Resti Despianti from Chemistry Education Class B 5 semester. Title: Modification of sulfur. Objective 1. To study several modification of sulfur. 2. To study characteristic of hydrogen sulfide and H2SO4. Literature review. Sulfur is a crystalline solid that is highly reactive with all elements except gold, platinum, iridium, tellurium, and the noble gases. However, sometimes it exists in the form of unit song. Sulfur usually occurs as sulfide and sulfide minerals. Sulfur is a chemical element with an atomic number chalcogenic group 19 or 9A, chemical element of the periodic table. Sulfur is an essential element for life and is found in 2 amino acids. In addition, sulfur is abundant, cheap, and environmentally friendly. In nature, sulfur can be found as impure or a sulfide and sulfate mineral in sulfide minerals such as hydrogen sulfide or H2S, hydrogen sulfide or H2S, and dangerous gas not only threatening human physical health but also corrosion of metal pipette and equipment in hot and humid conditions. Tools and minerals listed in the picture on category 1 and category 2 like in this picture. Specific materials CH3COOH, H2SO4, K2CrO4, and sulfur. On general materials, tap water, aqueducts, copper sheet, tissue, washing soap, sucrose or C12H22O11, and ethanol C2H5OH. Experimental work scheme, modification of sulfur. Step 1, start and to blended 0.5 gram of sulfur in evaporation cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and freezes. Observed crystal strips. The result becomes yellow crystal and finish. Step 2. Start heated 0.5 grams of sulfur powder in the test tube while shaking the tube. Observe the sulfur color change. Like in the picture, the result becomes brownish yellow and finally finish. Observation result, treatment, modification of sulfur, blended 0.5 grams of sulfur in evaporation cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and let it freeze. Observation 1. When the sulfur melts, the sulfur is red. 2. After freezing, sulfur forms crystal. Heated 0.5 grams of sulfur powder in the test tube. Observation changes color from yellow to brownish. 2. Characteristic of sulfur acid. 1. Heated a pitch of sulfur copper in a test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4 or not boiling. Observation: bubbles appear in the tube. Treatment: placed the filter paper moistened with K2CrO4 solution in the mouth of test tube. Observation: filter paper that was originally yellow turned white. Patted sucrose into the test tube and a few drops of concentrated H2SO4. When heated, it turns into a black solid. Put the 2 ml of acetic acid into the tube, 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. The heated solution consists variable to frozen in inflatable balloon. Discussion: modification sulfur. In the sulfur modification experiment, there were two different treatments, namely heating the sulfur in evaporation dish and in a test tube. When sulfur is heated in evaporation dish using a hot plate, the color changes from yellow to red and the sulfur melts. After being allowed to stand for a few minutes, the sulfur solidifies and crystals lines from direction that occur are S, O2, O2, S, added O2 becomes SO2. Then heat the sulfur in the test tube. When sulfur is heated in a test tube using a hot plate, after 5 minutes the sulfur melts and the color changes from yellow to deep red. This is because there is an effect of heating speed, where if the temperature is increased, the color of the sulfur will be darker. Sulfuric acid characteristic. In the sulfuric acid, the characteristic experiment, the first thing to do is heat a pitch of copper in a test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4. When heating takes place, bubbles are formed. Then after the heating process is stopped, the color changes from clear to brownish yellow. The reaction that occurs in this experiment is as follows: Cu added 2H2SO4 becomes CuSO4 added 2H2O added SO2, like this picture. Next is to put filter paper moistened with K2CrO4 solution at the mouth of the test tube in the first experiment, then heat it. When heated, slowly the yellow color on the filter paper disappears or turns white. The reaction that occurs in this experiment is as follows: K2CrO4 added CuSO4 becomes CuCrO4 added K2SO4. Then the next step is to put sucrose into a test tube and 20 drops of concentrated H2SO4, then heat it using Bunsen heating. When heated, in the color changes to black. And the last step is to put 2 ml of acetic acid into the tube. Then add 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. During the heating process, the heated solution causes bubbles to form and smells like in the inflatable balloon. The reaction that occurs in this experiment is as following. CH3COOH added C2H5OH added H2SO4 becomes CH3COOCH2H2 added H2O. Conclusion: based on the experiments that have been carried out, it can be concluded that the modification of sulfur can be seen from changes in the sulfurity of the sulfur itself, which is marked by a change in color and the formation of crystallines. As for the experimental characteristics of sulfuric acid, it can be concluded that sulfuric acid has the property of being an oxidizing agent, which is called an oxidation agent.